and welcome back again to my channel. So for those who just tuned in, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, like and share our videos. So for today, I'm going to make a very easy again stitch pattern. I have here my acrylic yarn and I'm going to use my 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. So to start off with our easy pattern, our multiples for the foundation chain is 6 plus 4. So depending on how big your project is, make your foundation chain multiples of 6 and at the end add 4. So after making your foundation chain, we are going to make 4 double crochets on the 7th chain from the hook. The loop on the hook doesn't count as a stitch, so we're going to start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so we're going to make 4 double crochets. Chain 1. So you have made 4 double crochets on the 7th chain from our hook, and then we make a chain of 1, skip 2 chains, and 1 double crochet on the 3rd chain. Chain 1, we're going to skip 2 chains, and on the 3rd chain we're going to make 4 double crochets. Chain 1. So that will be our repeat. So skipping 2 chains, 1 double crochet on the next chain, chain 1, skip 2 chains, and 4 double crochets on the next chain again. So continue repeating across your foundation chain, and we're going to make 1 double crochet on our last chain. So now we are done with our first row. For the second row, chain 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and turn your work. Our chain 5 will be a double crochet and 2 chains. So we have here the 4 double crochets. What we are going to do is we're going to make a front post double crochet 4 together. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook, going underneath the first double crochet, yarn over, pull through. We're going to pull through only the first 2 loops. We're not going to finish the double crochet. Again, yarn over. We are going through. We are going under that second double crochet, yarn over, and pull through to both loops. So now we have 2. Yarn over again, insert your hook again, going under the 3rd double crochet, yarn over and pull through only the first 2 loops. So now we have 3. Yarn over and do the same thing on the last double crochet. So now we have 4. I have to repeat that one. So now we have 4. We have 5 loops on our hook, and we're going to yarn over and pull through all those 5 loops, and we're going to chain 2. On top of the double crochet of the previous row, we're going to make 1 double crochet. Chain 2, and we are going to repeat what we have done on the first 4 double crochets. So again, yarn over. Our hook should be going through underneath that first double crochet. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We're not going to finish the double crochet. Again, we're going to repeat. Our hook should be going under that double crochet. Again, very slow. We're going to repeat on our last double crochet. We have 4 double crochet together here, and we have 5 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through all those 5 loops and chain 2. On top of the double crochet, make 1 double crochet. And chain 2. So that will be our repeat for our second row. So to end our second row, we are going to make 1 double crochet on the turning chain, or on the last chain. So chain 3, turn your work. We are going to make 1 double crochet on the same chain. Chain 1, and we're going to make 1 double crochet on top of this 4 double crochets front post together. So 1 double crochet, chain 1. On top of the double crochet, we're going to make 4 double crochets. Chain 1. On top of this 4 double crochet together, we're going to make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 4 double crochets on top of the double crochet, chain 1. So I just repeat what we did on the first row. And to end our third row, I'm going to make 2 double crochets on the third chain. Chain 2 and turn our work, and on the second double crochet we're going to make 1 front post double crochet, chain 2. So after making your chain 2, on top of the double crochet make 1 double crochet. chain 2, and now we have the 4 double crochet. We're going to repeat what we did on the second row. We're going to make 4 front post double crochet together. So I yarn over, my yarn will be going under the first double crochet. I will yarn over, I will pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all, and pull through 2 loops only. So we're going to repeat that 3 more times. The hook will be going underneath the double crochet. We're going to pull up a loop, we're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops only. So now we have 4 and we have 5 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through all 5 loops and chain 2. 1 double crochet on top of the double crochet, chain 2. So repeat across your row. Next double crochet, we're going to make 1 front post double crochet, and 1 double crochet on the turning chain. So we're going to chain 3 and turn our work. We're going to make 1 double crochet on the next double crochet, on the next double crochet we're going to make 4 double crochets. Chain 1. On top of this 4 double crochet together, we're going to make 1 double crochet, chain 1, and then 4 double crochets again on top of the double crochet, oops, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed our easy stitch pattern for the day. Happy crocheting everyone, and God bless.